Enemy so Bomodiana catch wa down for be ono onyantie yen so wontie GN Radio UK my CC no Liga amre no edu. Get your hands in the auditorium. When him say UK CC dey free European Union COVID-19 and she share ben and paying for fire akwentu hu sensem I didn't cry na ekoso in the world of immigration, asylum, employment. And yani Fortwell Solicitors, yani lawyer Penya Gasa. The Biameka John said we are always fortunate enough to get the best for you. Best. Nyoma best penny breo. Primus. Comprimus penny the breo. CC nso de coronavirus yi any pabone for nso na mba no abobo opunum say they are doing testing ebomode na hwe hu ye obi bo opunum amembie no saa ani show ni ID card ni am na busa the question bi if you are not expecting anybody ajacked na fie na every 15 minutes bi ana no munsuo is a mom pay dware no so this time I see a pay dware because a virus no can bit me affect too baby I know as could dware with soap virus no be yen konema lawyer kwaba Fortwell Solicitors legal hour time no and edu no good morning lawyer.
Good morning Adepachi and Bio.
Apom to say
mu sisi abo akrampa na ye hwe weni ntini nyame adom ye ne kakra
This year there's any kind of bow na im shiaba.
Correct.
Madam Biso kotina ba smo bow watine na engofo ebeni nyina just will be everywhere because this year no be sure say coronavirus is any kind of symptoms no bow wa any mu sneezy na afi so you be out tiny small fever be na just say but more than na free NHS but member home NHS member.
There be member hono. Say they all kind. Coronavirus into no be our businesses adapted. Yeah, in Fortwell Solicitors and so no we've adapted. And you know, say they all kind. See, I'm so cry.
But what do you coronavirus and it's the you say so be anyhow.
Basically, you know what we've done is at the moment, you know. Most of us every year juma from fear my clients in your CSA implementing robust systems it me and year juma if you be you know you will know say it's all fair anytime you can say business is saying shut it down say we will still be operating. We've started at the moment, you know, we've gone into the trial phase. Into this week, you know, we are trials. Into, you know, so fair and most of the time, you know, we are not seeing clients face to face at the moment. Mostly Skype consultation. Mostly WhatsApp messaging, phone calls, video calls, and that is what I hear at the moment. Face to face appointments, unless it's a very, 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 very important. Then we wait me about office or be pepe and the issue. In terms of your phone lines, you know, so no, open. No matter what they see, your cousin phone close it down, crampona. Your systems, you know, is there that it can work from anywhere. You know, and also something that we need to be aware of. In terms of maybe our person will be documents, any idea we've put in place. Post system or background always never drop it because you'll be always send it documents via email. Into no, we have a system in place. Our office always never drop it document. You don't need to have interaction with anyone. Into as a business, you know, we have a duty of care to your clients. We have a duty of care to your employees. This is what we've put in place at the moment. Yeah, obet me afraid me because upon me ye juma it will fear, but it will be as if say me juma or office, which we believe say it's something people need to get the rest assurance, because in these times, and yet the normal times that everybody knows it. One, Nkrofon Krata need to be resolved. Two, make sure say lawyer or the command on the case of coronavirus yes, you won't close it down. Will you be able to contact them? Or more systems in place to be able to deal with you? We have put the systems in place. Documents, we can receive them, email, fax, whatever. Whether say a closely and I enclose here, the systems are in place. If ultimately you use our documents, then that's what person would be personally and answer will drop here. There was a system in place. I'll wait me drop you in office and we will receive it and work on it. When that won't be you'll still be able to work. This is what we've put in place. We believe say in terms of
wait a moment to us now. I'm really impressed too, because there's already in the crowd. You guys have already taken about 10 steps ahead. You're not even waiting for the government to say shut down for your customers and for other new clients. That's very innovative.
Wow. What infrastructure we are not saying say some people don't have it and I say we have the infrastructure already in place. It's me Juma from anywhere. That's the reason why Thursdays it's me call Milton Keynes and set the office up. Because the infrastructure that you use is in place already. Then behind the internet, I can work from anywhere. We have it and we encourage and say, look, say then so can we help you? Young message and say we can help you. At the moment, we have a number of issues that we are handling regarding detention cases, because detention is what detention they are in close proximity with each other. Into say assembly affect you. So what detention, you want the matter to be dealt with, you bet me dealing with it. Luckily for us, court system is still working. Use video link for some of the cases. To one more detention, video link we used previously, is still in place. So we are acting for people. Wow, person who took my ABA or visa, and because of coronavirus, untimi and took quine and coffee for any reason. The government have introduced a scheme omutimi extending for every more. Initially, they introduced it for countries such as China. Any idea? But if you come from Ghana, we can be able to apply for extension on your behalf because of what is happening. Because of the concessions we are to place. Any idea we are working on for businesses? Almost sponsor individuals, so they need to be aware. Say these are times say ABR or sponsor employee. We use sponsorship license. Say what employee and Juma for a number of times are reporting schema and what honor reporting my home office for say Nipana will sponsor number Juma idea. They have relaxed it a bit into for individuals and for companies almost sponsor workers a year Juma more almost sure whether say some report TBB Emma home office for another some report here. They can get in touch with us and we will advise them accordingly how they will be able to manage their license during these trying times and as a difficulty times at this stage, In terms of visas, visas year who 2.5 years or 5 years or residence permit and you think say because of coronavirus I don't need to extend it. Say and now in the mokasa and I say at this stage, if you can say more for any concessions for them, don't think say on krata because of coronavirus, one year extension. You need to work on it. And also idea we need to be aware of. Excuses say, oh, my lawyer say require normal 2 months, or me application. America say yen close here. What plans have your lawyers got in place for you? You need to be calling and asking questions. And yeah, plans they awarded and then they are two grand say no matter what happens, your castle be shut it down, Crampa. We have the infrastructure in place. We are able to work and service our clients as normal as if nothing has happened.
Wow, that's really, really brilliant, Papa. Wait there. I'm really your friend is amazed about this. They say we've already taken steps ahead of even the government. The government so be announced say shut down the crowd. And they say Fortwell Solicitors will be a woody and say in case they say everyone say there's a total shutdown crowd. Systems are already put in place.
Yes.
Which is really
it's been put in place, and it is robot. You say Biomuka say internet in Yejuma or Chrome, then we will also be shut, but definitely no, that will not happen. We are more than happy. Say, you better amount for applications. I see a year deadlines. I see a meeting. Some we appeals, echo courts. Some we bill application because they've been detained. My year detaining or more, whatever the situation. Here advice because. Now family members or Italy, other countries, some person will come who has say through the application process. We are still processing them. They are contacting us say, oh, me baho Italy, me baho Belgium, me baho has say, I'm my bahasi and can me expect to say me ko form more about a coin ben with me ko form more about immediately. We have put measures in place that we are advising those people. Kwanya ombeti miafa so na mo ebusu for a fee continent or na mo be come who e krom ha say. What we are saying is we situation biano, we are prepared to assist you.
Na ene no yenhwe your friend is saying coronavirus inti nipa dodo no abebre no anso se ne ya wokan na akwantu mu no ama akwantu mu ensisaye abeba papa na obi bebusa se now na CCA coronavirus yi abei government ama extension no say mo Fortwell Solicitors edien pa na moye ede afa ho making sure say mo client ebe mo modern a ede o mo application bre mo a mo nso mo betumi abo modern aboa na enkoba ne se bio menkrata no ebia ewu na so extension nyamba ekwan ben so na betumi afa.
Well, say the American you were two categories of people you are dealing with at the moment. You were de visitors visa, and answer any type of visits if you Ghana and if you are man on they have to return back to Omukrum. Visa ebabewu. For one reason or the other, because of Inyama Elko Suninti, they've got genuine reason to believe say Omuntimi and returning. Those people they have to go back home. In our visa ebabewu. There were processes in place you bet me a year application for extension.
But any show, CC never go back home. There are some countries it's total lockdown. They are not even accepting other visitors. It is easy to say, "Banasa, nani pano, ne visa wu."
Before a visa ni be wu.
Before a visa ni be wu no.
So your application for extension.
Okay.
That is what you need to be aware. Before a visa ni be wu no. Whether said there's a total lockdown, corona ufi mono, and answer there's no lockdown. No, before a visa ni be wu no. Say we year preparation. So we submit a new application for extension. Into for visitors visas bia ba we wa hasia twice to ako baby bia waje transit visa waje visitors visa obedi a few days wa we are no ako Italy we are na if we ako Chrome back now for some reason travel itinerary has been interrupted by this coronavirus. Now say you need to make an application to extend your leave to remain in the UK. Now what genuine reason with evidence. We are more than happy say a application.
Okay.
Now I extend this stay in Chrome has say. Then two, omo leave to remain. A residence permit omo ti Chrome hadada. Omo visa eba bewu they need to make application for extension. Almost so Almost at the moment, they haven't made any concessions. Say, oh, 2.5 years, but because of coronavirus, China, a crown power they buy a begia to Debbie. There are no concessions whatsoever.
Okay.
Whatever be the case, whether say or lawyer shut it down for coronavirus or shut it down, you need to make the application and submit it.
Okay.
What we are saying is say if it becomes necessary, say businesses need to shut down. Whoever you are using to assist you with an application, there be measures, or there are to be able to help you without you having any interruptions. Yeah, Fortwell Solicitors, there I have put forward plans.
Good.
So no matter what happens, so your business is near and shut it down, grandpa. We already have measures in place as still, you bet me a amount for without them having to come to our office premises personally. We've put measures in place or bet me at office or drop with documents. We will get those documents for you. We've put measures in place. I email with documents at their mind, and then we will deal with it. We've put measures in place. I Skype consultation. Only a lawyer and ebe kasa pepe as if say original with him. So we've put all these things in place. Whatever happens, we will be able to service our clients' needs.
With the senior OT, that means there's still hope amount. There's a great hope amount. Through a Fortwell Solicitors. I mean, Kyle say station I would GN Radio UK. But more than a bon de rule say legal hour mreno many Fortwell Solicitors and nutrition common. Lawyer Daniel Cole ewo a fear high and nutrition common FI immigration and sem. Your telephone numbers are one sube to me about more than a freno any but more than a fre nebusa a question. Not lawyer any wano emfamao 0203 735 8820. And I say 0203 286 0185. But me, I share your Facebook, our GN Radio UK. Sanso and I WhatsApp number and also 0778 793 9958. Tibomodiana, Efre. And I share a challenges. I will settle status and have so generally no share a coronavirus in terms of a travel Nyoma coronavirus in so they are bray FI immigration sem employment sem civil litigation hun sem eno ena didi hun komo ana nchihye a Fortwell Solicitors teach you no what my ye edi atoto was in case say your Prime Minister Boris Johnson ye koda sorry no ka say total lockdown yin na internet fear lawyer cheche kwan a Fortwell there omo there already no omo start here omo de akwanya to watch say omo ntwe krampo Prime Minister be make us a total lockdown. That means they always think ahead. School be a war gun or say dwen hwekan. It Fortwell Solicitors there or my dwen ahwekan e de amaye. Yanko ye WhatsApp ne so. Was it morning lawyer? Please, my child's father has decided to distance himself from his responsibilities and stayed away from the family. Could you please provide a list of search engines and departments where I type in his name and look for him? Thank you.
Very, very interesting question, and I empathize with the listener now or sending some message in a I know for a fact say a lot of people also was similar situations, and I will tell you say if that is what you are experiencing. The best advice for you is to contact child maintenance. Child maintenance for every section amount. And yet your responsibility say start na wakoye wo CID and now wakoye wo investigator na one kasa obehwehwe baby a owo. I don't know the type of where ope efi ne ho. If a child maintenance enkwana ope efi papa ne ho there, then my ideal advice say call child maintenance for her and no be cheaper and no be more convenient and things might work out quicker for you. If any possible say call child maintenance for one reason or the other, and that's open something different if you papa ne then I will advise you say be a lawyer, because a lawyer may be able to instruct an investigator out with me. I should be a papa no 80 nothing address ama I don't know say be documents, legal documents we don't person almost survey Emma papa no and now say child maintenance can almost pay a fee papa no. So almost pay child maintenance and child support for bedding ebe bomo. So almost pay so almost survey legal documents a lawyer will be able to assist them because they have the right say on be instruct investigator and what he baby papa net na the documents na akoma no.
Yo, we dey etie for phone lines no ye bi enti no betumi answer afre na webusa wo question. We say good morning ne din Oba Esther. We say good morning lawyer. Please, I'm EEA national. I made application for my extended family member who is dependent on me. We made and submitted the application August 2019. We have been calling 3 times for updates. They said they are on it, please. I need your advice.
Sir, extended family member applications are a month for a year now. I have realized, and as we've come to the realization, say a number of them are for they are submitting delays abim. I will not say no because we share home office for websites in the grandpa. They tend to say ubenya decision within a few days after submitting it. Into no my application from August till data, so no omunya response. Sometimes there are a number of steps that me take na me the enya results quickly. One of them filing a complaint against Home Office for so who file a complaint Emma Home Office for now they have a right so investigators are complaining within 28 days. Into and only one of the measures I'll me take it to expedite when or year after application. Another one also say if you can say for an court, which is the last resort. If why complaint in a now say you're happy with the outcome of the complaint and that's still no respond, then you may consider say what you are court. But at this early stages, our application from August till now is almost 6 months. I wouldn't decision. May sincere advice I'm doing my say explore the complaint option. Now share the outcome of it and sign away take any further steps. Ideally, say lawyer na year application. Only lawyer na enkasa abia obetimi abua ebi obetimi I chase up letter be ediako. I know from experience most of the time now. Chase up letters call about those issues, they've been ignoring it. I don't know, the number of applications that they've been receiving recently following Brexit, anything that is slow in Yama down, and now say it's just administrative issues, more experience in Yama a delay. But I can say for a fact, a number of those applications a delay currently. I'm in a say.
Lawyer, we and so every say good morning GN Radio, good morning lawyer Fortwell Solicitors. So my question is, I am bringing my mom to UK as an EU extended family. Who will make the decision? Is it the entry clearance officer in Ghana or Home Office in the UK? Thank you.
I don't see how that information will make a difference. Whether say omuye decision ewa hasi and as omuye decision ewa Ghana, but I can tell you for a fact that most of the visa decisions are now saying it taking place. The decisions are normally made in the UK. I will say don't worry your head too much about baby. I will be making decision. And the most important thing is the important documents and evidence you need to present for that particular type of application. You have done it and done it properly. If you have done the application properly, then you'll be okay. If you haven't done it properly, then you may have a problem. And baby, I always tell people, say, even if the decision is being made in Ghana, whenever you make an application, make sure say you put your situation in context. And nuntina ebimu or honoma almost see na me koya application I say a form keke and I say me fail na me deco. The reason why I the application extra contest say you don't know say the decision will be taken in the UK and the decision will be taken in Ghana. And most applications, the decisions are being taken in the UK at the moment. Meaning, say case workers, and our entry clearance officers, almost taking decisions in the UK. Almost they don't understand the context under which applications Ghana have been submitted. Into some most refusals are a cause, a simple misunderstanding of Ghanaian context and internet refusals ever. I'll give you a typical example. Most people are on your application, ABA, why invite woman and I want an ABA or way crassy be say umbra in Slashe, ewo ahase, now home office for a refuse you on the basis say one and nano, one find a bank statement amba, one find a pay slip amba. The reason why he would have refused that application on the simple fact that one fa the bank statement and banner is the fact that the entry clearance officer do not understand the fact that Ghana no enye krasi bia na bank ewo inti no e bia wona na ewo krasi bia bank eni honom na say o 2.3 hours to the nearest bank. Now for that reason inti no nya this kind man na no eyi ne cash no dey share na boss so na this kana only bank account or the bedding or the better application inti it is important say apart from completing the form you have put the application in context and explain say look mami way me inviting abano only bank statement only way the reason why I only need say the nearest bank account to be or in the village or 2-3 hours away and nothing I made them a bank account at the account it's very 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 important say I know say nipa no bisa as a question or bisa so that he will understand how to present the application say application is being decided in Ghana or nim say maybe you honor nipa ne beden or beti asie if you make reference to certain things back home or beti asie but if you make certain reference to certain things here on asie another example bia obi or ye na ejuma e Ghana wako register Ghana obeka say or enterprise wako ji ehun registration certificate. Most enterprises are Ghana no almost sole proprietors. But just what me say. Obehwe no na bank account use edidi no and one so no dey business no. However, no so we application eba has na nipa na o take decision no e wo krom has ya. He does not understand say SaaS enterprise now this certificate aba no and yes separate entity from individual now or submit application. Internet and who he has to presented two bank accounts. These are some of the contexts that in Crofobri application get refused that it's important. Say so we hear application now. Always assume say the decision is being taken in the UK and based on that obey further explanation and put all the documents that are presenting in context. Not only to me at here, not only to me making the right decisions for you.
Yo, lawyer, wait there, my main fa a brandy way. Earlier message and I know me bisha no about a visa extension. A brandy na send a message. I say, hello lawyer, I'm Oreku. Please, I came to UK for a program and I was given 1 month visa. I have already spent 2 weeks. I've spent 2 weeks already and it's about to expire. How can you help me get extension?
Sir, what the visitor's visa? And answer what any form of visa
for a program.
For a program, program has say for 1 month.
We did 2 weeks.
Now say we did 2 weeks. Now say open say we did extension. So it's me a very good reason why open extension. Now with me it's not Chrome has say. In for instance, Oba Chrome has say ABA Oba conference. ABA Oba conference ni we no yare abebo. And now say ABA nipa betina in China yare. And I say BB some misfortune has happened since the time Davis and Emma or no ending now. We don't have a problem. We can make an application see extend the amount. Now you cannot simply say and I suggest say, oh, me visa say member Chrome has a ember program for 2 weeks and for 1 month. Me we program no, but me back Chrome had me niaji in extension say metina Chrome has say.
Soroku.
I hope say uji we nikakra and no ehun asemo kano ebe den kakra. And no na me church mu say because of coronavirus ne COVID-19 ya dia kokoko so you know if I affected baby a ufi eba and a baby anka woko ufi ase akọ na o evidence ni say oh bia na me eba from ha say na me fi ha me call Italy sisi at Italy no there's a total lockdown and I said na me fi ha say me call France sisi there's a total lockdown into the meet me end to aso bi into mo ma me extension till time I me return ticket ni ebe so no problem. You bet me a year application. What you need to understand is that no matter the circumstances, you should have genuine reasons why or pay extension for the Home Office to consider your application.
Now, let's say lawyer, Mitiopa, or Kusisi, what be a Ghana, a cinema plane, Mema, Obia Mbagane. Is it also not another form of genuine excuse or between the extended a year visa?
It's a very genuine excuse. It's a very genuine basis. I'll be seeking for extension. But however, no, you need to show evidence. We know for a fact, say, be almost Ibema Ghana be a mfi krom ha say enko. When am yes be mo mfi krom ha say enko. Yes, say foreigners. Nti no Ghanaian nationals enka ho.
Okay.
But just what me I say. Yes, see Ghanaian nationals enka ho. If you have a evidence say be a planes anka edo ube ko Ghana ni nyani ye twetwem flight bia is not going to Ghana at this stage there, then you have a good reason basically application for you to continue staying here. Whatever be the case, you should have some sort of evidence. So what me I say untimi nka say oh yes be man crofo e fi kroma say uhwe statement on my penny e Ghana e the two Ghana clearly no or state wo mo say Ghanaian nationals are excluded foreign nationals also mo ko Ghana pe na for instance Italian national na oti krom ha say and then you are planning say Italian national property visa to stay in this country but let's say obi
Switzerland
also have visa into there ufi krobia we have visa to stay in this country and anka we continue to Ghana and I just want to mean could be wait out tickets that NSC is all train kakra. Then we can put that evidence in and make an application to extend your stay. These are the bases how you can extend your stay. Any other basis in untimi enye.
Untimi and TC no to because say be or so better not play when you're being infected with this coronavirus, you just want to stay and then monitor situation.
You cannot say out of personal fear of contracting the illness in person meko. That's what I say. You cannot because Chrome has a crown pono. Even though Obia's Rosobe contracted illness, Abana is not prepared to shut down the states. The BIA is running as normal. You have schools running, you have businesses running. They are supposed to be running as normal. For you to say, due to personal fear of contracting an illness, you need to provide like a lot of evidence. Now, underlying illness. Do you understand? Underlying illness you are scared say upia over contracted illness. What the evidence about we need to make us say every individual that we look at we treat every case individually. You better circumstances surrounding the case and then we will be advised so accordingly say based on your situation that you've advised us we will be able to help you or will not be able to help you.
Tiwedi oreku bomodern koswane tie na me program ni beba no ewe ya me the lawyer number betuja na wangasa frɛ no na se be hia se ne lawyer kan no na mo twetwe nkomo na fa ekwan a no ntimi bie mu eyema nko se mre ni ntino aya na bring na ne nyenyi na ne ye frɛ ne se edi hu nkomo ti oreku koswane tie na me the lawyer number ebetuja e de ama na one no edidi nkomo lawyer ma me mbo eye voice note ya thank you very much. Was sending a message what that's the lawyer.
So that's it.
NTA your voice note here will be so they are sending. God is great and they are sending.
Good morning, Dr. Ren. Good morning, Lawyer Dankwe. And the Masinage Mapa Mobile. I mean Shamopa. We don't pay them once in Phobia. My brother Bako, one EU ni policy be our customary marriage, but omumi no man kufi omoye if you want a buy. And a lady no a Ghana omubi na omukwa application no e refuse na lady ni Ghana ye. The Ghana in 5 years in the million pena ohu no. And they say we share obi a one na eba be e ware. They say no so also your application so ontimi kwaya wale na divorce no so ontimi nye. The tiene say divorce nko okwe no mo so mu hia maame no ID maame no so ohu ni biem na ne ID copy so won honom copy no so awu timba twa na mo bo no betu obetuma jai atwa saa awadeɛ no mu no meda ase paa.
A very important question no ebisa no, and a lot of people was similar situation one way or the other, either say onhu bema na waware na onhu oba na waware no nipa na edwane egyan mi ho no so pe say ogyan na aware. So wo hwe divorce setting and divorce application mo ye wo an application your application na one o marriage certificate ye wo another form obey complete either can or petition form no either caucus or no. Now we explain it to them say bia marriage certificate into no open say the divorce goes ahead. If we hear application as a who the other party now, there is an application that ubetimi aye call ama court and say they should dispense of serving the other side, because nipa na na it is important say you understand say for yen game ya na ye hu adwuma the rule in the game na evidence. Okay. If oka me say only oba bi aware but mu ye aware ni wie no we dwane eja no what evidence do you have of making a search and not finding him? A lawyer will be able to do that. We come back to the same point for a first question I answer and then say a lawyer can instruct an investigator to do a search. If so, no way evidence and then we investigator no witness statement in the become application no into there is always an option. There's always an opportunity to be able to deal with these situations whenever they arises. And I will strongly recommend you and say on contacting a lawyer, not on discussing issues at all face. Sometimes what people tend to do is say bia wawari obi nipa na edwane eja no onhu no na oti ho osi o enyehwe mi hu ne dia mintimi nya ho hwe and I say me who marriage certificate into the mintimi nja aware me ma wo atiase enne e wo program we used to say whether say nipa na waware no we dwane eja na so dwane nja onhu no and I say on person be receive any document regarding the divorce it is still legally possible to divorce that person through the courts. If you can't see your marriage certificate, still nobody's mere proceeding with divorcing that person. The most important thing is we contact legal representative waiting me actual kwaya obe faso be internase e wo fie say me ma de na undi hu abobo e waiting me akose problems aba.
We there but more than that, so be fa phone now afre number C 0203 735 8820 and answer 0203 286 0185. The Bomodiana one so Fred lawyer Nebusa wo question lawyer what's somebody Eddie Mame na me pese me kofa me baba e free Ghana ba my bia ye refuse no nanka me Bomodiana senka me di ne beba na nso sisi ye refuse me kwan ben so na me fa so a me ti me di me ba no aba o uni
se open se okofa wo ba efi Ghana eba na why your application a man na you refuse now. The first thing I'm person me who say the type of application na we man na you refuse here is a visitors visa and a we man na you refuse you is a student visa and you refuse you because any type of visa obey here I be refuse you any the ways and means yen lawyers you're dealing with addressing that refusal. Let me give you an example. If you or send a side message, or man a banner invitation, no acquire application for visitors visa and you refuse, there is a way I be dealing with this. I always tell people say visitors visa refusal and never ban and I also say no right of appeal. But there is a right of appeal for visitors visa applications that have human rights element to it. If we decided say oba fear over Article 8 rights because we right to family life with sa obano now person oba ne eba has say for ensrahwe na you refuse you are entitled to appeal against that decision. That is one. Two, apart from the fact say you may be able to and you are maybe entitled to appeal certain visitors visa decisions. You have to understand that almost every refusal be the baby no. Near also said no right of appeal, but we are able to challenge it. I will not be able to go into details, ways and means. They challenging those refusal. No.
Wow.
But say we obi a wutie me na we nua bi o sister bi wadanfo bi obi a wonim no Ghana wa ye application say opeso oba ensahwe e wa say now for some reason yam farmer no now you think say the basis yam farmer no na enye ne kwan so na say ope say ye hwemu e ma wa mesrew call me after the program ye be hwemu amount and then we'll do everything to challenge that decision, especially if we believe say you have a point.
Okay, we the mami bomodiana friend lawyer went to me and friends to see and swap the number betu ja na wabo modern friend na on church mu ekwan with me abuana with me a fight for appeal e dey ama obey na obano so abeka ho e wo UK mem. We say morning lawyer, I say I asked my cousin in the US to come and visit me in the UK. She said she applied for the visa but they refused. I asked her to send me the refusal letter so I can ask for help from you. And I say in these ways, what best solution about me? I the money near now or US abekano.
Ni about no US na you inviting na we refuse no say the okan na ne kwan so no in part your man send the refusal letter na embro na forward the money. You look at the refusal letter and discuss content with you. If you believe it's something which is worth challenging, we will advise you accordingly. My mom is no matter the refusal, whether say a visitor's visa, tier 4, visitor's visa, you bet me a challenge visitor's visa amount. If visitor's visa there was human rights element to it, you bet me a request for right of appeal, near challenging near court at the amount. If a near visitors visa na tier for admin review, so we admin review, you bet me admin review no at the amount. If a say kwakofa wo jire kwakofa wo kunu kwakofa wo ba and you have application amana your right of appeal and also no you bet me edi ehun ejuma at the amount pepepe.
Lawyer, I say good morning, lawyer, and good morning, Dr. Ren. I say I'm facing a dilemma or a big issue here. I said I don't have my documents, but I'm applying to my son, and I'll say I'm meant to be worse. I mean, kind of. I'll say, but the mother has been refusing me. We've gone to a family court, back and forth, but the court keep postponing my date. Anytime that we have a date, then the court will come with another date. It's been almost close to 2 years now.
A bit very difficult for me to be able to pinpoint the problems facing. But it is a very common practice for the family courts to be adjourning cases.
Okay.
For one reason or the other. The basis for adjournment of the cases is before any family court makes a decision, they know say it's got far-reaching implication to the family. Either say one person will be happy or another person will not be happy. Because a mother, you have a father, and then you have a child in the middle. So what me I say?
Yeah.
You are trying to make the mother happy, you are trying to make the father happy, you are trying to make the child also happy. As much as possible, before you take any decision, you want to make sure you've taken into consideration all the facts of the case, and so that we make a decision. Brilliant. Say if a person will make a decision, I say meno I could make any allegation, say bia wabu or no meno, and as wabu or no aqualana. Obviously, the court would like to adjourn the case and investigate that matter thoroughly. Either say send social workers and I say your friend Kafkas for Amama be interview Aqualana, be interview other people who are involved in the family to make sure say issues now we're raising and they are a bit me are affecting in Kuala because they are talking about children. The interest of the children is paramount. They want to make sure say any decision that they take, it does not become not like it has to be in the best interest of that child. If, for instance, there's an allegation of child abuse and as a domestic violence, the court wants to make sure say that matter is investigated properly to make sure say decision be has been done properly because almost person be take decision say oh there are many air cano and yene kwanso no nti e fa akola na e ma no no de akola na be ko then externally be no na akola na has been abused and as akola na has been beaten up yenya yenim the way baby p issue ne ba here no e be see here into these are some of the things a cost court na dream from time to time they keep on postponing it yeah na nkrofonya family cases the commonest question that they tend to ask and say, hey, na family case here menye da ben na mewie e ka ben na mebo and I always tell them say it can be very difficult to predict how much you are going to spend because it also depends on the other side issues are no be raised or court. Until the year now send this message, the answer I'll give you is make sure say after the program, no, so only lawyer be over contact here and we'll be more than happy to assist you with the process, because it's important say you have a lawyer who can help you and shape and direct the case on your behalf.
See, I see you, Danny. Please put it out there that Julian Ellison, put it out there that you also deal in other matters. Until recently, I didn't know you also dealt with other aspects of law. Until I needed that specific legal advice. Thank you. Julian
no people not because most of the time na but if it is so you can't immigration home send be brain they don't know say what other aspects are you dealing with and I will use this opportunity to mention say civil litigation employment into any issue be abenya or ejumemo we will be able to assist you. We are able to also assist employers into you may be a business owner, you are finding difficulties with your employee. Be open ways and means about drafts or contracts, new policies in the idea. You bet me assist you so I'm waiting me ejuma. We also have the capacity to deal with BBFN wills and probate into we will be our person will throw a will will offer you be dealing with. I'll use this opportunity if we have time talking about will Ghana for Krum has say man for we na wa ya real or the akojin krata nipa na wa no we dwane no ho it's very 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 important for us especially in this country we take the preparation of wills very very seriously because trust me in Sembebre air cost disputes air cost hano obi no see o me ko wari obi me wari ni wie no me nyame krata na nipa ni dwane but emramu no onye divorce here. God forbid if something happens to you now we japade awaye bibia awaye no enye omba ho na ebeko oba na woni na aware na wedwane eja ho na woni bebi ho na wunja na if onye will sometimes in as much as we don't talk about will issues near there may use this opportunity to encourage your listeners and say it's something that they need to be aware of ba krom ha wa ware krom ha ebia won ware krom oba Ghana or Ghana whatever was family situation make sure say you've got these things covered and if you have to speak to us we are more than happy to assist you apart from that civil litigation, probate, family issues, into divorce, children matter, council, social workers, but some would joke or mobile sema these are some of the areas dealing with our friend. We are more than happy to assist you.
But more than a friend, numbers how to be friend 0203 735 8820 and answer 0203 286 0185. I be kwa mano so na yenu aba ono so efre edi enkomo. Good morning. Lawyer wa ha odini bibi a free.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning. Lawyer to you.
Okay. Now me visa say in case me if anything visa I'm a visiting visa because I've tried several times. And the first one, almost say, university now school near secondary matter. Ain't they can't do anything about it. This is the second time I've applied and graduated very soon. I don't know what to do. What is the advice that he can help me to bring her in just for visit?
Well, last refusal I wouldn't any other bank.
Oh no. Life with fish and no, the BI okay, but I'm not catching the lady now. All kinds of almost submitting your man command. Lady now, I'm forward the bank statement but meanwhile, or the bank statement and everything, one is school letter from the school, and they said we can't appeal it. We can't appeal. Meanwhile, no, we the BBI correct. But meaning the reason why we almost say BBI shows or university now face bank statement BBI but yet they submit BBI. But on Saturday we can't appeal. I just left it.
But you that bank in a unya as I refusal letter no.
I got it on I think January, first week of January. Yeah.
Yeah, well, say if time I win a letter no decision no less than 3 months, we are more than happy say you be dealing with it on your behalf. Okay, any decision be we receive at less than 3 months visitors visa no, we can work on it on your behalf. Into no if according to you no, or submit all the necessary documents at the COE, and I almost say still no may refuse it. I will need right of appeal. My advice is forward this refusal letter no MI after the program no, and then we will advise you accordingly on whether say it's worth challenging that decision no, and I say you should let it go. Say that I can earlier on the program no, and then the crazy say every visitor's visa no who need right of appeal. I know say as a standard practice no, every refusal letter be the bema obi and almost sure also say no right of appeal. But my culture say if nipa na we invited no, your family member such as Woba, you should be entitled to right. You should be entitled to appeal. Into no, these are some of the things that will be able to work on your behalf. Meanwhile, no, so the main reason why I may refuse the application, you know, if it is what you have told me on radio now, then there may be ways I wait me at the bois Niama Obano Abeb instruction Elcrum Hansan away school. Into the frame after the program, and then we will help you. Why?
Okay. Yo, me that's say panya me
And that's it. And that's it.
Na nti onso betumi abomodin frame say your time ni nti no nyame adomo make how say Fortwell Solicitors ne de omo twetwe nkomo yawade bia omo Milton Keynes no ye legal surgery omo ye mpensem mu na ene no ye sha ne lawyer edit udwa efa say in case say ye call lockdown wa se ya Fortwell de omo di nkan kura etu ho anamo awombe be ma lawyer esisu biem for one more joining you know CC mutie you know
no credit say the okay you know because of increased cases of coronavirus you know we have a duty to your clients we have a duty to your employees and they say everybody will be protected and be able to continue working and I say whatever happens you know business will be able to run as normal. As Fortwell Solicitors, and we've put in place measures we believe say in the long run no you bet me use to boa your clients and your employees into no for instance most of your current employees you know are working from home. And no, does not mean say your work is not being done. Everything is being done. We are taking phone calls as normal. We are returning phone calls. We are sending emails. We are doing applications as normal. Just to say, over office physically, you will not see many people there. We are not seeing clients face to face. Most clients, we are not seeing face to face because already, we have that system in place already. Our clients from Manchester, Birmingham, Northampton, Liverpool, maybe all over the UK. Your clients were normal. We've been assisting them all these while remotely. What we are saying is that because of coronavirus cases in as much as possible, we encourage say video conferencing and answer Skype and WhatsApp calls to speak to our clients from now onwards until said things will improve. If some of the documents we have systems in place. I'll wait to me and share documents on our website. You call your website on my we're able to share documents with you. Posty the physical documents for you. If untimi use internet internet using a problem ma on your idea into the open some of the documents in the share and sema we have created a facility in the office or by now I drop it or documents in Ewomo, and we will get those documents and deal with them without having to deal with somebody face to face. These are measures idea to honum. I will believe say even should they happen, say there's a complete shutdown, our business will be able to operate as normal. Our affected amount for appeals and your applications are a year cost. What we are telling people, and I say potential clients or money in Juma that they say before you go to your lawyer to go and instruct your lawyer, say in application, ask them, say, what is your coronavirus continuity plan that they have in place? Because if there's a complete shutdown, that's our lawyer and that's a you'll be left stranded. What we are saying is no matter what happens, our phone lines will be open 24/7 when there's a complete shutdown. Our email systems, our systems that we've put in place, they are robust. We are testing them as we speak now, and we believe that they will be robust for us to work even if there's a total complete shutdown. And no matter what level your application has reached, we will be able to complete it and make sure you do not become illegal in this country and things are done properly for you.
Yo, any Bomodiana Shannon so say me afre Fortwell Solicitors womo 247 on mobile number no any 075 48 701 011 075 48 701 011. Office line is 020 33 25 7030 020 33 257030 to pacho bomodia na fre eye number CCCC na lawyer emomodia na omwa na senior lawyer kan no senior wonso nkwanko ye illegal immigrant na say kra de mo person momodia no mo ye ne law say we illegal immigrant dia ntimisrawo ene hana emere edema ye beda lawyer da ne call as papa say enenso odi legal awamre no beka ye ho numbers no biem 075 48 701 011 bomodia na fre emra lawyer ma ne musuo no yana ma say ma musu etie ye mo hwe wo Facebook ni ewiase afa na nyina no anapei yebeda mase nyame adom so a Tuesday bi yebese hia ene Fortwell Solicitors ebehia don't be scared, just take care. Why na adhere to the practices lawyers no akachiremo.